you. Betcha I'm back, baby. And this is going to be my favorite part of what I like to do, and that's fitness. Okay, so we're going to give you a little bit of fitness with Basketball U, as well as the handle, right? So first thing that we're going to do is we are going to use this as a focus workout, right? So it could be a warm-up for you before a game, or it can be a workout for you in general. Okay, so going right into it, the first thing that we're going to do is arm circles. All right, so we got some big arm circles, and then we're going to have some little arm circles. So just giving you an example of what that looks like, and then we're going to get right into it. First thing is big arm circles. So we got those arms up, and we're rotating those arms forward. That's right. Keep it moving. Nice and easy. It doesn't have to be anything fast as we keep them moving. Okay. Very good. And a lot of times when we're working out or we're doing anything, we're in a hurry just to get into the workout. A lot of preparation needs to go into stretching, right? Or warming up. Okay. Now we got our small arm circles. Small arm circles. Especially for those who want to shoot the basketball a lot. Like, you got to get those shoulders right, okay? Nice and warmed up. You can get full extension into that shot, and we're going to get everything else going here in just a second, all right? Perfect. We're going to finish those forward motions, okay? Remember, if those shoulders start to burn just a little bit, just make those circles a little bit bigger, right? Mine burning right now. I ain't going to lie to you. They're burning right now. Very good. Keep those arm circles rolling. Great job. Great. Now we're going into the running man, okay? So it's a very simple drill, as you can see here. I'm always going to try to show you an example before we do it, just so you can prep yourself and get ready. And now we're going to go right into the running man, all right? So basically running in place, just nice and easy, nothing crazy. And again, the reason why we're kind of doing this is because let's say you're in a gym. Let's say there's a whole lot of people moving around. You don't have a lot of space to run and do things like up and down the court. Boom, we got running man right here for you. Easy. Not that much weight on it. We're good. We're running in place. Nice and easy. Getting all those legs warmed up. Getting that body hot. Getting ready to shoot your shot. Oh yeah. I'm ready. So that is the running man. Then we're going into our next one. This is everybody's favorite, man. Jumping jacks. You have never done jumping jacks before. Here you go with a quick example. And now we're getting right into it. So here we go. Oh yeah. You want to make sure those feet are outside those shoulders. And when you are spreading those feet wide, your hands are high. Perfect. And you just got to do a few of them. For me, I can do 20 to 30, and it really gets the legs burning. And there's different variations to this. If you don't want to look goofy in the gym doing jumping jacks, while everybody else is looking cool with their Crocs on, you can definitely do something similar to this, and I'm going to show you in just a second. Okay, and finishing it up. Nice job. Whoo, you got me breathing hard out here. I'm already warmed up. Not sweating yet, but I'm warm. I'm ready. Are you ready? Ready for the next one? Let's go. All right, so getting right back into it, we're gonna do hand claps. As you can see, they're very easy, similar to jumping jacks. Okay, you can do them forward and you can do them up. So I'm gonna do them forward and then I'm gonna do them. Okay, so I'm here, boom, 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 boom. Get a nice rhythm in. Hey, whoa, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, love it. Come on. You gotta have fun with the warm-up, right? Good, okay? So hand claps, again, shoulders are moving, legs are moving, it's heating your body up, and that's what you wanna be. You wanna be warm, okay? You don't wanna go into a game cold. You want to be ready. Anything can happen. You gotta have that team that's gonna press you early in the morning. Look, you just gotta be ready for anything that's coming. All right. Now we got squats. You know squats, very simple. Sitting in that chair, okay? There's a variation of different squats out there, but this one you're just sitting in that chair. Again, we're loading up those hips, getting them ready. So I'm here. Oh yeah, nice and easy. Sitting in that chair, right? Getting in that roller coaster ride. Boom. Nice and easy, right? This is easy. Again, it's just that movement, right? There's gonna be a lot of up and down movement. We're getting ready to jump a lot. All those things, whether it's a workout, a game, you're training just maybe outside, all these different things, this motion is gonna happen at some point, okay? So we're getting a nice, good squat, getting low. Perfect. And I'm gonna get on that level of those knees over toes, guys. I love what they do. I wanna be 40, 50 years old dunking the basketball. They make it look easy. So yeah, we'll do some more exercises like that where it gets those knees right. All right, now we got speed skaters, okay? So we're gonna go speed skaters, and then we'll go into another exercise after that. Okay, so with speed skaters, right, we're really working on warming up those glutes. Okay, so now when I'm going, okay, I'm getting that one leg up, then I'm gonna go opposite of the way I'm going. Now, the distance isn't gonna be like that, but you're gonna go from side to side. And the reason why they call it speed skaters is almost like we're skating downhill, right? So you wanna make it easy. Okay, so you wanna get a little bit of elevation. You wanna pop here. And you wanna hold, right? You wanna hold. You want those glutes to burn a little bit, right? Keeping that balance. Almost feel right there, right? Boom, and I'm here. Boom. I really feel like I know how to skate. I don't know how to rollerblade. I don't know how to ice skate, but it feels great. And you feel that burn right here. Boom. And then as you get better, you get more distance, you get more height, you go a little quicker, right? And then you just work on the balance, okay? Perfect to warming up that hamstring and those glutes just a little bit with a little bit longer hold, right? You start sweating, start breathing hard, legs start shaking, feels great, okay? Okay, so similar to that one, we got ski hops. So now you're going 2, okay? So now we're going here, we're going here, we're going here, we're going here. So it's a little bit of that squat, right? Throwing those arms back. Oh yeah. Yes. Right. Come on, just a couple more. Just follow me. Yep. Good. Keep going. I know it's burning. Very good. Okay. So again, just want to stay moving, stay active. You'll start to feel a little sweat. And once you do, that's when you know that warm up is really working for you. Especially like when we're doing layups, you ever feel that sweat, that pregame? You're getting that pregame sweat before you even start. Okay, now the last thing we're gonna finish up with, you're gonna go fast feet. Just gonna run forward and work a stop. Okay, so it's almost like a little bit of a lunge stop. So we're gonna go fast feet. Oh yeah, we tap dancing on them. We tap dancing on them. You can do like 5 to 10 seconds, right? Quick feet, we sprint, boom, and then you stop. And you go back, we're running, we're moving, I'm here, boom, stopping with that left. And then I'm back, and then I'm quick, and then I'm quicker, and I'm fast. Boom, boom, good, good, good. Yep, keep it rolling, keep it rolling. Oh, I feel the burn. I hope you feel the burn. Oh, boom, a little negative step there. So that's how we're gonna do that. Again, you can do 4, 5, 6, whatever you feel is gonna get you warmed up. Everybody's different, right? You might wanna only do 3 each leg. However you feel, what's necessary, that's it, okay? Biggest thing is you should be breathing like me and you completed the workout. So great job, okay? Walk around to cool down a little bit. Be ready to go. Make sure you stay hydrated. Again, this can be for a workout. This can be before your game. Or it could be just to keep moving and stay active when you're not working out. So just make sure that you're always doing something, right? Because that's important. And the reason why is someone's always working. Are you?